Hi guys, so today will be my last day in this location. This evening we are planning on relocating all the hives into another place. So I have a lot of work to do as for the preparation. So this is the beehive carrier, and we are going to use this for the beehive relocation today. One of the steps for the relocating is actually making sure that the hive is tied up. We are going to pick the whole hive, and we have to make sure that it's secure, it's tight, it's buckled. Getting ready for the relocation night. Okay. It's 1 a.m. in the morning and we have just one more left hive to move. Jest 1:00 w nocy i mamy już tylko ostatni ul do przeniesienia. Perfect.
Załóż sobie ten, bo latają jeszcze jakieś pojedyncze.
Wiem, okej. Ja ciebie nie kameruję, nie?
Ale mówisz, załóż sobie ten.
Już, moment.
Na głowę.
Jest okej. Okay, it's done. Relocation is completed. So this is the front of the hive. To jest przód ula. And to make sure they have a good ventilation, żeby mieć pewność, że mają dobrą wentylację, zainstalowałam też siatkę z tyłu. I also installed the net at the back of the hive.